Welcome. So we're going to just practice some conscious breathing today, which is where we just breathe mindfully. We have this real mindful moment for ourselves, which is really calming and brings us into the rest and digest nervous system. So just making sure you're sitting comfortably, having the legs planted on the ground if possible, palms facing up on the lap. As we breathe in through the nose, and then exhale through the mouth, feel everything just relax. Feel the shoulders drawing away from the ears. And we're just going to breathe in and out through the nose now. We'll gently draw the chin down, lengthening the back of the neck. And as we're breathing in this way, just noticing where the breath is landing in the body. So very often as adults we will breathe right up in the chest. But this type of breath signals to the body that we're in a fight or flight situation. So we produce cortisol. And we can actually live our whole lives in this kind of level of acute stress. So by changing our breath, by breathing down into the belly, we switch our nervous system to rest and digest. So feel the tummy muscles relax. Often we hold on to them, subconsciously sort of holding our tummy in. Let it go. Almost feel as if the belly is like a balloon that's inflating with every inhale. We're using our diaphragm here to breathe now instead of our chest. And we're just going to bring some counting into the breath. So keeping the breath like this, in and out through the nose, into the belly. We'll exhale fully to begin, and we're just going to inhale for 5, hold for 5, and then exhale for 5. So big inhale for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just want you to continue with this breath with your own counting. Inhaling for 5, holding for 5, exhaling for 5. Is the belly inflating like a balloon with every inhale? And the next time you exhale, that can be the last round. And just bring yourself back to normal breath in and out through the nose. Just noticing how you feel now we have entered our rest and digest nervous system. A sense of calm, a sense that the stress has just melted away. And knowing that this feeling is always available to us, just through some conscious breathing. And gently opening the eyes. Thank you.